Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how I make fried fish. I am using tilapia, however you can use red snapper or any mild flavored white fish. I've already cleaned the fish, so I go straight to seasoning it. Check out how I clean the fish in the video linked above. Due to its mild flavor, tilapia does not need much seasoning. I add the spices and seasoning and toss the bowl a couple of times. This will help spread the spices and seasoning throughout the fish. I add extra virgin olive oil and rub the spices and seasoning onto the fish. I've listed the spices and quantities used in the description box. I let this marinate in the fridge for an hour before frying. It had been a busy day, so I finally got to it late that night. I heat some oil and start frying the fish. I also add roughly 1 cup of plain flour in a bowl, which I use to coat the fish. I'm using an electric frying pan, but you can do this in a frying pan on your stovetop. Once the oil is heated, I coat the fish pieces with the flour and carefully drop them into the oil. I fry the fish until golden brown, then flip it and fry the other side. I line a bowl with paper towel. This is where I place the fish once fried to absorb any excess oil. I let the oil heat up again, then repeat the coating and frying process until all fish pieces are done. The fish is now ready. Allow it to rest for a few minutes and serve with your favorite accompaniment. I like it with salad, vegetables, or fried rice. Look at how beautiful this is. It is nice and soft on the inside with a crispy golden finish on the outside. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, and share it. This will help improve the visibility of this channel. If you like cooking content, consider subscribing and tapping the notification bell to be alerted whenever I put up a new post. Thanks for stopping by and see you all in my next video.